Introduction. Welcome back, creative enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of graphic design and exploring one of its key principles, balance. Balance is a fundamental concept that plays a crucial role in creating visually appealing and harmonious designs. Whether you're a designer, artist, or simply curious about the principles of design, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in and explore the world of balance in graphic design. 1. Understanding balance. Balance, in the context of graphic design, refers to the distribution of visual weight in a composition. It involves arranging elements in a way that creates equilibrium and visual stability. When a design is balanced, it feels harmonious and pleasing to the eye. There are three primary types of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial balance. Asymmetrical balance. Symmetrical balance, also known as formal balance, occurs when elements are mirrored or equally distributed on either side of a central axis. It creates a sense of stability, formality, and order. Think of a perfectly symmetrical logo or a poster with identical elements on both sides. B. Asymmetrical balance. Asymmetrical balance, also referred to as informal balance, involves the arrangement of different elements that have equal visual weight but are not mirrored. It relies on the careful placement of various objects, colors, or textures to achieve equilibrium. Asymmetrical balance can create a dynamic and visually interesting composition. See radial balance. Radial balance is achieved when elements radiate outward from a central point, resembling the spokes of a wheel. It creates a sense of movement and energy, drawing the viewer's attention towards the center. Radial balance is often seen in circular logos, mandalas, or designs with a focal point at the center. 2. Achieving balance. Visual elements. To achieve balance, designers can manipulate various visual elements such as size, color, shape, texture, and value. By distributing these elements strategically, you can create a sense of equilibrium in your design. 1. Size. Larger elements tend to have more visual weight, so be mindful of their placement. 2. Color. Bright or saturated colors attract more attention, while neutral or muted colors recede into the background. 3. Shape. Geometric shapes and forms may have different visual weights. 3. Consider their placement and size when creating a balanced composition. 4. Texture. Textured elements can draw attention and add depth to a design. Distribute them carefully to maintain balance. 5. Value. Elements with high contrast, such as light and dark, can have different visual weights. Use them intentionally to achieve balance. B. Negative space. Negative space, also known as white space, plays a crucial role in creating balance. It refers to the empty or unoccupied areas between or around elements. By utilizing negative space effectively, you can enhance the overall balance and clarity of a design. See grid systems. Grid systems are a designer's best friend when it comes to achieving balance. By using grids, you can create a framework that guides the placement and alignment of elements. Grids provide structure and ensure consistency, resulting in a harmonious and balanced composition. 3 examples of balanced designs. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of balanced designs to get a better understanding of how balance can be applied effectively. 1. A magazine layout with evenly spaced columns and images on each page. 2. A website interface with a centered logo, navigation menu, and content blocks on either side. 3. A poster with an asymmetrical arrangement of text and images, creating a visually engaging composition. Conclusion. Balance is a foundational principle of graphic design that helps create visually appealing and harmonious compositions. By understanding the different types of balance and employing various techniques such as manipulating visual elements, utilizing negative space, and utilizing grid systems, you can create designs that capture attention and convey a sense of order. So, go ahead and experiment with balance in your next design project, and remember to find that perfect equilibrium between visual elements. Happy designing!